finished looking at everything up. Quick hookup real quick.
Okay. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Awesome.
Just finished looking at everything up. Quick hookup real quick.
Okay. Is this a 7500?
Yep.
What is it wired to on these?
Half on right now.
Half on 2. Are these 12s? 12s? Okay. What about your lithium? How much lithium?
45.
45? Okay.
JS 370.
Okay. And do you know what it's tuned to?
29.
29. Okay. Awesome. Can I get a demo?
Oh, yeah.
Sure. Can I get in? Sorry.
Just got a plan.
All right. It's all good.
That smell, that juice.
Thank you. There you go. Bass breaks everything.
Yeah.
What's going on, everyone? I am Jacob Vile. I do daily cardio YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. This was at the TDH show in 2021 in Virginia. Team Deadly Hertz did a great job showcasing it. So if you haven't already, give him a like. He did a really good job, as well as comment. Give him some positive feedback you like about his system. Really powerful amplifier on 2 of these Orion hCCA 12s. Didn't expect the box this size to put out the amount of output that it did. It was playing really low frequency response. And him having these subwoofers inverted helped him get a lower bandwidth response on this system. So if you ever consider wanting to play a little lower, try inverting the subs. It may help you a little bit. And also notice his port area to cone area ratio is about right for tuning that low, so his length of his port is probably going back as well a little bit. I remember when I was coming up to get a demo, he just changed out his amplifiers. Before, if you saw briefly in the video, he actually had his previous cab amplifier in the back seat, and he upgraded to this 7500 watt Sundown amp. So it's probably not 100% tuned for this demo, but we still get to see how it sounds and give you a nice low-end reflex response. He was playing down into the mid-20 Hz range really well. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily cardio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the bass demo. Pretty impressive to see how low in response these subs got.
Cartwheels, nigga flipping on the edit too. It's small time running up. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.